As I mentioned in the last lecture, I believe one of the biggest benefits you will receive in this course is that you will walk away with a completed lighting design plan for any room of your home by using a template that I have created specifically for this course. You will be completing this plan in a step-by-step approach throughout the course, starting in Section 2. So what else does Section 2 hold in store for you? First, we will be talking about why lighting is so important to the overall design of your room. Because once you understand the role that lighting plays, I am confident that this will not be an area that you overlook in your future interior design projects. Then we are going to get technical. Maybe more technical than you'd like if you're not a design professional. But I promise you that it's not too long, and the information will really help you to understand the foundational principles behind lighting design. Specifically, you will learn what light actually is, the importance of both natural and artificial light in a room and their different functions, and you will learn all about light bulbs. Yes, light bulbs. There's a surprising amount of information in the lecture on light bulbs, but I will distill it down into just what you will likely need to know. Finally, you will learn how to calculate the right amount of light or lumens that you will need for each of the rooms in your home. At the end of Section 2, you will have a brief quiz to test your new technical knowledge, and you will begin working on your individualized lighting plan. Then, in Section 3, we get to arguably the most practical information in this course. Specifically, you will learn about the 3 layers of light to any good lighting scheme. You will learn how to choose the right type of light fixtures based on the function of your room, the right sized light fixtures, the correct placement for those fixtures, how to choose the right lampshade, how to hide those unsightly cords from your light fixtures, and where you can purchase great lighting for all rooms of your home. Finally, you will learn how to control your natural and your artificial light through the use of window coverings and dimmers. At the end of this section, you will do quite a bit of work on your lighting plan. In the final section, Section 4, you will learn how lighting can truly act like a magician in a room by altering the intensity of colors in your room, making your room appear larger or smaller than it actually is, and easily creating a focal point for your room, which is one of the key elements to great interior design. At the end of this section, I will walk you through putting the final touches on your individualized lighting plan. Wow, that's a lot to get through, but I will do my best to keep it lively and entertaining. Please note that I have placed a course outline in the resources section of this lecture that you are welcome to go ahead and print out and use for jotting down your notes as you listen to the lectures. Are you ready to get started? Excellent. I'll see you in the next lecture.